Speaking of more, what am I going to do next time? We've got this door shoe adjusted now properly. You can hear it all the way across here. It's tighter than it was before. There's no air coming down through there. My next project I'm going to do is I'm going to re-tighten up. I'm going to tighten back up the self-closing door hinges on this door. And this door has self-closing hinges because this is an exterior door. It's got weather stripping on it. And by code, did you know by code this door is supposed to close by itself to give you a seal in case you have a fire or something? This door should be a rated door. It should be like a 20-minute rated door. And I can't get up there high enough to see. There should be a label on top of the door. And sometimes they have it nailed on the edge of the door. There's nothing here, so there should be something up there. 20-minute rated door generally, and then it's weather stripped and it's self-closing. So in case there's ever a fire or something out in the garage or whatever, or vice versa, in the hallway or whatever, and you're trying to get out, protect something else. Either way, you have this is a rating now. This is a rated area. In fact, it's to keep fires from the garage coming into the house. Okay, that's why you have everything like this. You got a threshold, you got the door shoe on there, you've got weather stripping around this door, you got self-closing hinges on this door, one at the top, one at the bottom. You might have one in yours, two in yours, you might have three on yours. It depends. Your garage, on most garages is 5/8 sheetrock. All your interior walls are 1/2 inch. This gets you a rating. 5/8 sheetrock is like a 1 hour, well, it's a rated sheetrock. So you want type X 5/8 sheetrock. It generally is in the garage, all the walls in the ceilings. Okay, so now you're protected going in case there's a fire out in your garage or whatever. Okay, so that's why this has self-closing hinges. That's why I need to get them to work again. Can you use this door right now without retightening those up? Can you just leave it and say, okay, fine, I'm not going to mess with it? Yeah, you could. By code, it's not right. And lots of times, maybe you're coming in and out of the garage. I don't like it. Every time I open up the door to get the groceries in, the door closes on me. And I got 5 trips out there and the door closes 5 times. I'm just going to get rid of those self-closing hinges or whatever and take the pins out or do whatever I have to do and just leave it. Oh, that's way better. You know, you're not supposed to do that. Note to self. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to have this self-closing. So that's why I'm going to put these back on. I'm not sure if I can get them tight enough, but I'm going to try my best. If I have to, I'll get some different self-closing hinges because I like the ones with the wrench, an Allen wrench that you put in there and you can crank on it. This one doesn't have it. And if you watch my other video on how I adjusted this door, I had to adjust this door because it was sagging. I've already fixed that. And I had to disengage these. Watch that video. With this particular video, the next one coming up is how to tighten up your self-closing hinges. Hope to see you again on my channel.